Garaj Analaki Thomas, Trigonometri F1051.
Nama saya Muhammad Jahad. Trigonometri 1074.
Saya Tarman dari Trigonometri, Trigonometri 1018.
Nama saya Muhammad Demian Shah, Trigonometri F1077.
Today I want to explain about definition of trigonometry and basic trigonometry ratios with one example. So let's look at definition of trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the relationships between the sides and angles of triangles, especially right angle triangles. It helps us to calculate unknown values when we know certain measurements of angles of sides. Basic trigonometric ratios. Here we can see sine is sine in bracket theta equals to opposite divided by hypotenuse, and then cosine cos theta equals to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and then tangent is equals to opposite divided by adjacent. Tunjuk muka saya. So now we will look at example with numbers. Example. In a right angle triangle where theta is equals to 30 degree and the hypotenuse is equals to 10 cm, then we can get 30 degree equals to 0.5. So the opposite side 0.5 times 10 is equals to 5 cm. So anybody, do you have any question?
How to find sin theta, Siva?
Okay. So now let's look at how to find sin theta. Just now I told you that sin theta you can find by opposite divided by hypotenuse. In triangle, the longer part is hypotenuse and the side part is adjacent, and this is opposite. Do you understand?
Yes. Thank you. Second is trigonometric laws. So Pythagoras theorem for this is used for a right angle triangle. So the formula is A2 plus B2 equals to C2, where C is the hypotenuse. Hypo. Okay. Sine rule formula is A plus A sine A equals B sine B and C sine C. Useful for non-right angle triangle. For the cosine rule is C2 A2 plus B2 minus 2AB cos C. Useful for calculating unknown side or angles in any triangle. Okay, tu kau kat.
Demi tanya soalan.
Okay, Jahan. Why do you use theorem Pythagoras?
Okay, we use Pythagoras theorem. A square plus B square equal to C square is used to find the length of the side in a right angle triangle when the lengths of the other two sides are known. It is essential in geometry, construction and physics for calculating distance, heights and diagonal lengths, ensuring accurate design and calculation.
Next, we are going to talk about world applications of trigonometry. First is architecture. Architects uses trigonometry to calculate structural loads, angles and support heights. Navigations. Pilots and sailors use it to chart courses by calculating distances and direction based on angles. Third, satellite system. The positioning of satellites relies heavily on trigonometry to calculate orbit and angles for communication. Does anyone have a question?
Give me one example of architecture that work with basic trigonometry and simple calculation.
One example is the Pyramid of Giza. The Pyramid of Giza is an excellent example of architecture that uses trigonometry. Its slopes or angle of inclination was calculated using basic trigonometric principles. Ancient architects used ratios similar to tan theta to ensure the pyramid sides met at a precise angle for stability and symmetry.
Geometric formula. Area of triangle. Area equal A, B, sin in bracket C. Sum of triangle in a triangle is A plus B plus C equal to 180
Sorry?
80 degree.
80 degree.
Yes, everyone. Tangent formula. Tangent formula is tan tangent theta equal to sin in bracket theta cos in bracket theta. Cos theta.
Okay, boleh. Tamim, for what tangent formula is used?
The tangent formula tan theta equal to opposite adjacent is used to calculate the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side of a right angle triangle. It is commonly applied in problems involving angle of elevation and depression, slope calculation, and finding angle of side in right triangle.
Okay. Thank you, Tamim. That's clear.
Right?
So, madam, today we guys are coming into conclusion for our topic trigonometry, that trigonometry isn't just a mathematical theory. It is a tool used in everyday life to solve practical problems, from calculating distances and heights to constructing complex structures. Its applications are everywhere.
Thank you, madam.